Low rider, get a little lower. Boom, 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 boom. Hello, it's Chef. Bueno, it's Chef. It's Chef Capalbo. Yeah, that's me. Chef Capalbo, man. You got something to say about it, man? Yeah, well, good, because we're going to make chicken tacos tonight. Yeah, that's right. You're talking to the chef. I got 1 pound chicken breast that you can see down there. It's all chopped up. It's ready to go. I have a pan waiting for it to get cooked. I got burrito shells inside the tortilla shells, actually, inside the what do you call it? The refrigerator. I got all of my stickers on the thing, and my drawing I just did. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, they're very good. You see, I'm also an artist. Anyways, you have to subscribe to at Magic Meat Arts because he's the man. And like I told you, I just washed my hands. We're going to make chicken tacos. Maybe we'll make them burritos. I don't know. And then maybe we'll add some of this stuff here, this chicken flavor, you see. And then I put that all in the burrito. And we got some cheese, some cheddar cheese, some Mexican style cheese. We put it all in there. It tastes good. It'll come out good. You know what I mean, man? Yeah, that's right. I gave Chef Capalbo the day off. My name is Senor Capalbo. Okay? Hey, I'm Chef Senor Capalbo. So, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. And I'm working for at Mr. Magic Meat Arts. You know him? And I'll be putting it on Chef Capalbo's playlist. You can watch it there. But I need to get this chicken going because, man, let me tell you, it's going to get hot in here. Oh, we're going to have some hot stuff. Let me tell you, there's going to be some good shit going on down here. You hang on there. Okay, homies, hey, I'm back. Hey, you know, I forgot to tell you. Here's our other ingredients. Okay, so we have our mission tortillas. We have a cheddar jack. And we have a sharp cheddar. We're going to mix them all together there with some butter and our rice. And we'll have a little bit of agua. Agua? Yeah. You guys call it the agua. I call it the water. Anyways, so what we're going to do. Gotta get this cooking here. This one takes 5 minutes. And we're going to have ourselves a meal. So let me get it all cooking and rolling. And no cat hair in here. You understand? No El Gato Gordo here, kitty cat. Go on. Yes, I know. Go away. Okay, we're not making video today for kitty cats. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so you see what we got here. We got some water in there. We put 2 cups water and some butter. That gets it going. And over here we have oil. Medium oil. Okay, so what are we going to do? I wish I had a cameraman. He's not here. He's out driving. Because, you know, homie's got to make some money. Homie cameraman, huh? Alright, so hang loose while I drop this chicken in. So, okay, now we got the chicken in. It's cooking. It's good. We want it to cook. We don't want to eat raw chicken. You can't do that. You get cross-contamination. You end up with chicken disease. You start... You don't want that. No. You don't be talking like no chicken. You're not no, what you call that Mexican chicken, you know, the one, the pollo who comes, the sky is falling. No, we don't want to be like that chicken. Okay, so, we have the water boiling. You have, listen to that sizzle. Doesn't that sound good? Probably wouldn't taste good, but it says what you do is you're going to flip over your chicken. You don't want any pink. Pink is bad. Now if you were having steak, now I can see you having pink. Pink would be good, but not with chicken. No, you don't want that for the chicken, man. You know? I'm not trying to offend any Hispanic people. I just like to put a little bit of zing into my video. I'm not making fun of you. Remember, this video for fun times, not for... Why the hell? It doesn't want to flip over. Okay, so you see, we'll get rid of the pink and we turn it white. And then we'll go riding our low riders, man. Yeah, we take that out and we bounce it on the ground. And you go low as you can. I want to know how low can you go. So, we're going to keep flipping. And this chicken's going to go low, low, low. Down in your gut, that is. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is white meat, as you can see. So it won't be as juicy as a dark piece of meat. But that's what it asked for, white meat. Like me, homie. I'm white meat, yeah. Okay, enough of the joke. So we get back to this. Maybe I should turn it over to, you know, maybe to the Italian chef, I don't know. He took the day off, I think. He went down to Little Italy to get himself some pasta. Pasta fazool. Or maybe he went to Claro's to get himself some lasagna. I don't know. Anyways, he left me in charge, so here we are. I'm in charge. I don't know what I'm doing, but hey, I know what I'm doing. I'm the chef. I'm chef. Chef, I'll come up with a name later. But Chef Jose, Capalbo? No, Chef Sean, that's it, man. My name's Chef Sean. That's it. Yes, Chef Sean. He's going to cook it up here for you. You see, to get rid of all that pink. We don't want no pink. Let's let that go. Oh, look at that over there. That's boiling. Okay. Let's see what I got to do next. So we got to make this stuff here. Is a chicken rice side by Knorr. Okay, see, we got our rice in there. It looks almost like rice-a-roni. It boils for a little bit. I'm going to lower the heat on that, and we're going to cook it for, how long we're going to cook it for? 7 minutes. It says, stir, reduce the heat to simmer, covered 7 minutes until the rice is tender. Yes, we would like the tender rice in our burrito. Okay, so it's boiling. Let's give it a stir. Woo! Look at that. We're going to stir it up real good. I don't know how much video we got here. Hopefully enough for this dinner. Alrighty then. So now we're going to lower that down there. We're going to cover it up because it wants to be covered. If it's not covered, we're going to end up with a mess. And we don't want a mess. Hopefully it doesn't need another top. Because that's the only top I got. Hey, you know what I mean. So, I'm going to put you guys on hold for a minute. See? Hey, look at that. Okay, so we put the ingredients in. It was a half a cup of water. And the ingredients from the pouch. And now it says to just go ahead and mix it in. Because we want our chicken brown looking. So, you know, not like my white boy here. Homie. Hey, homie, that's me. Yeah, no. I'm Chef Sean. Sean, the cook. Sure. Whatever you say. Yeah, that's me. Well, I was going to have avocados with it. Make a nice avocado dip. But our refrigerator destroyed my avocados. So no avocados. They were mushy. I don't want to put that in there. No siree. They were brown and greasy and just don't look no good, man. You know what I mean? So, okay, we get that, let that sit there and simmer. Alright, let me see what we got to do next. Okay, our rice is over there cooking. That's good. We have our rice cooking. Okay, it says, I don't know what it says. Oh, it says use taco shells. I don't got those. I got the Mission tortillas. Those always work good, you know. Because I want burrito. Okay, so stir in the mix in water. I did that. Bring to a boil. And then let simmer until most of the liquid is absorbed. The chicken is cooked through, stirring occasionally. Spoon into warm shells, man. We're going to have dinner here in minutes. Oh yeah. Okay, so we'll let that cook down or cook up. We'll let it rest. And we gotta do with these cheesy chicken shit. Oh no, sorry, not shit. No, it's cheesy chicken. Right. We're gonna let that cook 7 minutes. It's been 4 minutes, so we still got 3 minutes to go. Let it stand for at least 2 minutes. Stir and enjoy. Yeah, we're gonna put that in a burrito. That's gonna be good stuff. All right, it looks a little too high there, so let's lower it a little more. Yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. You know, maybe we'll have some of this rosarita refried beans with it. Gotta have our taco sauce, mild, because, yeah, can't do hot all the time. It's Taco Bell, I believe. Hey, Taco Bell! Dun! Sure is, man. And then, of course, we have Stater Brothers. The only place to shop for us Americans. I don't know about you Hispanics. If you guys go to Stater Brothers, I think I've seen you there. And Cheddar Jack. That's gonna be some good shit. Yes, this is not your ordinary Mr. Italian guy who doesn't speak no language. He doesn't cuss. Maybe if he does cuss, he cusses in Italian. I don't know. I could say some stuff like pinche puta, but you know, that's not too good to say. I don't want to say that in my videos here. It's my first time cooking with Chef Sean here. Or is it Chef Juan? Maybe it's Juan in Mexico. But here in America, it's Chef Sean. So, we'll go ahead and cook this on up here. It's looking good. I gotta get the wife, man. You know, she's gonna have to get herself some food. We're gonna get really hungry here. Hang on here, boys and girls. Alright, so Chef Sean's back. Alright, you see here we have some refried beans. I put in some, I found a mustard in there. I put a little of the Taco Bell sauce and some, which one did I use? The sharp cheddar in there. I'm going to cheat today. We're going to microwave it. So we'll put this in the microwave for 3 minutes if it doesn't blow up. Last night it made a weird arcing sound with mashed potatoes. I don't know if it's going to arc with burrito stuff. It better not. I'm being pissed. I just bought this. 3 minutes should be good. We let that cook. There's our chicken now. It's looking good, man. Look at that. It's all there. You've got your sauces. Juicy. The meat's not dried out. As long as I don't drop it on the ground, we're going to be good. Oh, I wish you could smell it, man. It smells so good, huh, senoritas? You want to smell that meat? So, I hope you enjoyed me cooking tonight. I know that Chef Capalbo is not around. It's just Chef Sean here, or in your town, it's Chef Juan. Okay. So, that cooks like that there. There's a chicken, man. That's good. And girls, ladies and gentlemen, whichever you wish to be called. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. We're going to be putting that in there. That looks good. A little wet. We'll wait till it gets dry. It says it must sit for like 5 minutes. I gotta make our tortilla shells, man. When I get those tortilla shells ready, dinner is served. Okay, I can put away this butter. It's best to put everything away when you're done, because that way you don't have to clean it up later. Right? Right. Okay, so you put your butter away. We got lots of food in here. There's some strawberries in there. That's about all I can put away. All the rest of it's going to be used. So, like I said, I hope you like my food, my recipes. It's something I came up with quick. I know that it's not like a real Italian. I know it's not like a real Hispanic Mexican dinner, but it's as close as I can get. It's Chipotle. Sure, it's a Chipotle brand, better known as Chef Sean's brand. So, I show you what it looks like when it's done. I will, how did I call it? Tap it out so you can see. Burritos are turning around in there, man, and it's looking good. 30 more seconds. We'll get those shells rolling, and we're gonna eat. Remember, subscribe to Magic Mitch Arts. Down there's a button right there. I hope that this makes you hungry. I hope you want to try it and enjoy it one night. I gave you the ingredients. I hope you use them. You use a handful of each one of these on your burrito, or a little bit, depending on how you like your taste. You put a little bit of sauce, or juices, whatever you call it, hot sauce. And then you, well, you don't mange, well, you eat. Okay, so the beans are done. I put away the butter. I don't need the butter, man. And remember what Cheech and Chong said, man. Don't let it go up in smoke. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm glad you come and watch. Maybe you'll see more of me, Chef Sean, Chef Juan, whichever you wish to call me. And I'll show you what the pictures look like in a minute. So before I blade it, I'm going to show you here. Okay, so we have the tortilla shell. I put a little cheddar cheese there. I got the rice on there now. Okay, let's see if I can get around you here. We're going to get some of those refried beans, not reefer. No, oh, they're hot. Okay, that'll definitely melt that cheese there. So you're going to put a little bit of that on there. Just enough. You want the burrito to be pretty good size. I don't have lettuce, so I was going to make tacos, but yeah, we don't need tacos tonight. We'll do a little bit of burrito, chicken burrito. Okay, I got lots of dishes to do. Now I take the chicken. And we're going to go over here like so. And put this on the burritos or tortillas or whatever. Make sure I don't throw that top away. We need the top. Okay, so there's my plate. There's the chicken. This is crooked. I don't know if I can do it. There, we try it like this. Alright, you're gonna get some chicken. Not one piece. Okay, there. Now I got chicken. I'm gonna lay it on the burrito. Good burrito. Alright. There you have it, okay? Not much chicken there. But it's enough for dinner. You can add the refried beans for a side, the rice for a side, get a little tequila. Anyways, you put a little bit of, you can add a little tequila, but don't dry. A little more of the sauce on top. Oh yeah, there we go. Now I have to hold this for a second. Okay, so this is Chef Sean, better known as Chef Juan, in your country. This is the American style. The American style. No, it's not that. I'm not making videos, so singing. Anyways, you have rice, you have beans, you have the chicken burrito, you have sauce. This is the perfect meal for American Mexican like me. Remember to subscribe again down there on that button. And we are here to eat our dinner. Thank you. And muchas tacos. Adios.